Hey there, Seahawks, it's Miss Adams, and in this video, we're going to use a normal curve to find area above and below a value, specifically with using your calculator. All right, so area below using z-tables. So we're pretty comfortable with this at this point. The distribution of heights for teachers and staff at Sun Lake High School is normally distributed with a mean of 169 centimeters and a standard deviation of 6 centimeters. Miss Adams has a height of 152 centimeters. What proportion of SLHS staff heights are below Miss Adams? All right, so I'm going to go ahead and draw this distribution. My mean is 169. My standard deviation is 6, so I'm increasing by 6 as I move to the right each time. I'm decreasing by 6 as I move to the left each time. Miss Adams is at 152, and we want to find the proportion that are below, so I'm shading below. So I'm going to find the z-score for 152. 152 minus my mean, 169, divided by my standard deviation of 6, gives me a z-score of negative 2.83. So when I look at my table, negative 2.83 gives me a value of 0.0023. So 0.0023 is my proportion, or 0.23%. Not a lot of people shorter than Miss Adams. That's okay. Area above using a calculator. What proportion of SLHS staff are above 6 foot? So we have to do some conversions. 2.54 centimeters is equal to 1 inch. All right, so we have 6 foot. We're going to change that to inches. So there's 12 inches in a foot, and there's 2.54 centimeters in an inch. We're going to cancel out conversions. You've probably done it this way in science. 182.88 centimeters is what we get for 6 foot is equivalent to 182.88 centimeters. We knew that our mean was 169, our standard deviation was 6, and when we do this in the calculator, we end up with 0.0104. All right, so we're just going to take a look at what this looks like when you do it in your calculator. So what you're going to do is go to second VARS, which is your distributions menu. You're going to go to normal CDF. Your lower bound, we're going above. We want to find the staff that are above 6 foot. So my lowest value is going to be 6 foot, which we said was 182.88 centimeters. My upper value is going to be infinity, but I can't put infinity in the calculators. I'm just going to put a lot of 9s. My mean was 169, and my standard deviation was 6. And I'm going to hit paste, and paste again, and I get 0.01035, which is my answer. So 1.04%. All right, the next one, area below using the calculator. What proportion of SLHS staff are below Miss Adams' dream height of 5'2"? So mu is 169. The standard deviation is 6. So 5 foot 2 inches is equal to 62 inches, which is equal to 157.48 centimeters. Okay, in my calculator, I'm going to do a normal CDF. So I'm going to go to second VARS, a normal CDF. This is my distributions menu. This time, my lower bound, I want below Miss Adams' dream height. So my lower bound is going to be negative infinity. So negative 999999999. My upper bound is going to be 5 foot 2 inches in centimeters, which was 157.48. My mean is still 169, and my standard deviation is 6. So I paste that in, and oopsies. All right, so when I paste that in, I end up with my answer of 0.02742. So 0.0274 or 2.74%. All right, go Seahawks.